Have you ever played outside with your friends and then it started raining? You continue to play while raining just to get lectured by your mom and get a favor on the next day? So, what is this nature phenomenon called rain and the process of it? Rain is a process of precipitation. The fall of several liquids that come from the Earth's atmosphere has exist, either frozen or liquid, that descends to the surface of the Earth. The atmosphere, the atmosphere desperately needs rain in the process of finding the appropriate temperature with the melting point of nice near. As for the Earth, rain is phenomenon of condensation. The meaning of condensation is the meaning of water become liquid.
After we find out a brief explanation regarding rain, so after this we will discuss the process of the occurrence of rain. In summary, the process of the onset of rain can be divided into four stages. Number 1. Solar thermal assistance. Sun is a factor in the occurrence of rain. The sun is an important factor in the creation of the rain on the earth. Without the aid of solar heat, then it feels impossible will happen rain process. Sunlight heat affect the waters in rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans to do evaporation into the air. And heat of the sun can also cause evaporation that occurs in humans, animals, plants, and other objects that contain water. Number 2. Moisture compaction by high temperature. Compaction water temperature. Next, after the water that is in the earth rise into the air will transform into water vapor, then the heat will change the temperature of water vapor become solid so transform into dew. Then more dew gathered into points that get bigger with the hot temperatures help so that it will become a cumulus. Based on research on this stage, drop of water has a size 5 until 20 millimeters, where on this size of water droplets will fall to the earth with 0.01 until 5 centimeters per second, while the speed of the airflow to the top is much higher so that the drops from water will not fall to the earth.
Third, rain assistant. The process of the occurrence of the rain assistant after the point cloud in the sky and forming small cloud, then the wind in the air brings cloud and bump into each others to unit to form a large cloud collection. After the cloud turns into a great, then the clouds will move up again to the point of lower temperature until to the point the cloud will turn into gray. 4. Rain. The process of rainfall after a small cloud is grouped and from a large cloud. Eventually, the cloud's color will more grayish due to the abundance of moisture content. After a college of water getting bigger and not unstoppable again due to its weight, then the grains of water will fall to earth, so called by rain phenomenon. A brief explanation of the process of the onset of rain can be summed up as follows. The heat of the sun causes the evaporation of water in the face of the earth, resulting in a cloud of steam water vaporizing from the earth. The wind carried clouds of tiny bumps into each others and assemble into a large cloud. Wind becoming intensely gray because of the growing moisture content, so the water come down to earth as rain.
That is all we have for this video. We are sorry if we made a mistake. Thank you for your attention.